Oh, okay. Hi guys. Quick sound check. No, it's not Aggie. It's Amir. Do you hear me, guys? Hello. Hello. Yeah. Good. Hey guys. I'm gonna be a host for the next few days. I don't know what's going on about Monday, but definitely the rest of the week. What's up, Meir? Luis, hola. I feel surrounded by people that I know, huh? uh, you can see double. Videk, what's going on with your eyes? We have a lot of stuff today. Um, let's do the process. Definitely, yeah, I'm gonna do it differently. Let it grow, yeah. We definitely, there's some candidates, really good one. Um, yeah, I'm gonna do differently with Aggie. Each one has its own, style and everything. So what I'm doing here right now, um, you see one of my charts. It's not. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm looking. What is my main candidate? Let's write it first, okay? Momentum, and it's hot. That my keyboard is pretty hot from that. So definitely AMAT. It's gonna be an earning UNH, of course. CRWV and BLSH. Okay, that's our, again, the first two, hot, hot, hot. Um, both ways, everything. So, and another stock that definitely I'm gonna watch, it's gonna be HIMS, and of course, I always watch my previous IPO, FIG. So markets right now, let's see what's the market. Basically nothing but 0.17 and the QQQ. What's going on with the QQQ? Yeah, zero, basically nothing. What's the sector stronger? The MJ, all the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, Chinese. Let's start with my candidates. So here, what you see on the down is just part of the main screen. I have some chart with screen with big charts. Definitely UNH, yeah. So what I'm doing here right now, what's the low here? Yeah. I'm marking those levels. I like those levels. This one, this one. You see the low of today pre-market. It's kind of a nice, cup from the aftermarket. I have the upper level here, 308. Daily of UNH. Um, what's going on, Amir, with your charts? Yeah. Daily, yeah. Maybe, that depend how we're going to finish today. You see 326 above here. There is, now the ATR of UNH is huge. It's almost 10 points. And definitely with the RVOL today, you're going to get more than 10 points today. So UNH, hot, hot, hot. Lots of institutional, yesterday this one because Berkshire, bought 1 billion shares. AMAT, definitely. Again, I'm more thinking about these levels here and here, and definitely what's going to happen and then where it's going to be explode. Daily looks for everything, again, going up, going down, whatever. It's like there's a lot of opportunity. Let's see, we are around 100. Yeah, 162. So we are somewhere around this level here. Again, more candidates. CRWV. Again, if we watch CRWV, big drop, and again, doesn't mean that it can stop today. We are somewhere here. We can still go down. I didn't see something about information there, but this is again a big ATR stock, so everything can happen there. Give me a second. I want to see something about CRWV. Okay. And about the hymns, interesting. This is like really good. Lots of shorts, lots of institutional. This level here and this level here. What can I say? I'm excited, really excited. Like you actually can feel that definitely something will happen. And with this 4-point ATR, definitely. NUE is here again. Bershway also bought it there. BLSH is definitely, we did more than 10 points trade yesterday, if you remember. BLSH, we did it somewhere around here. Give me a second, 5 days. We did this bounce around here, exactly somewhere around here, exactly all the way here. So those levels are really, this level, 77, if you remember the 80, this level from even the day before, and this high, a lot of can happen. Open-minded for that. So, questions. Let's see if you write something. Yeah, good evening. I don't care. Good, bad. I want to see the chart. What else? Roadblocks. Yeah. I'm not. I believe you, Alex. I don't even gonna watch. Not because I don't respect you. You know that I am. We actually even know each other. And I remember that you're from Florida, not from LA, correct? um, but definitely I want to deal with those. It's too much, the UNH and Amat, it's like a barrel of explosion. Um, so I'm right myself. I'm right myself. We have two copy IPO today, which is basically nothing. So I'm writing myself RBLX. Yeah, Intel, yeah, Intel. Again, Mayor, the same thing I told Alex. Intel, yeah, I know. It's all about how I'm managing my attention, and I have to be selective. Maybe in the end, Intel will do much better than UNH or whatever, but uh, keep those. If suddenly we're gonna see, and I don't think it's gonna happen, that something is kind of a weak and we need to refresh. Definitely. Same as Joby, Mister. Same as Joby. Yeah. Good luck. Trade what you see, not what you think, and don't throw me, Amir, look at this stock. Let's try to be educated. Okay, so let's start to, if you see something, analyze it and write me triggers, write me area. Don't just write me, Amir, look at. Okay, let's go to a different level. Okay, so I'm going to put in a major in UNH and AMAT and wow, AMAT. Wow. She killed me every level that we had. I was watching the 164.70. Wow, huge volume in Emmet. Look at this. This is a huge volume. Oh, sorry. Need to do the opening. Yeah. UNH 302, 299. Still, we're getting. I want to see if we get in this level here. It's around 298. Okay. Okay. I want to see if we can stop here and maybe I can start buying some position. We stop around here. Okay, we broke it a little bit. I'm watching the level 2. No, we're broken it. Yeah, we broke it. So next area is this level here. 294 area. Yeah, that's area I'm watching. Wow. Okay. Okay. 294 will come pretty soon. 294. We didn't get 294. Got 295. 294. I'm watching. Damn it. BSH. I'm watching BSH also. That's the low here, 73.44. So I have all the levels, so I'm just watching to see IPO pretty dead right now with the volume. NUE also correction. UNH, yeah, I was watching 294. I think it started to be bought 295. AMD, yeah. Short in Apple. I'm gonna put HIMS here also. What's HIMS doing according to the pre-market? UNH. Let's start to buy UNH 298. Stop gonna be like the low of the day, like 4 points, which is fine. Half position around here. Oh, sorry. I'm watching different chart. Above here, I want to start buying it. 298. You know what? Let's put it on 1 minute here. This is not my major charts. Just a second. Yeah, when I buy it here, have position, stop gonna be here. So it's 2 points, guys. UNH. 298, 2 points. AMAT. AMAT under 165.50. 163.50, sorry. Let's see. 163.50. Okay, UNH in 63. Okay, AMAT. I want to short it here, 163.50. I'm going to give it a point here. I want to see if we break it. If not, yeah, we break the stop, so I'm going to watch it. So UNH, okay. UNH, above 300, I'm going to add more. Yeah. 300 here, boom. The stop going to be for the 300, again, 2 points. Okay. AMAT, I still like the 290, 163.50. Let's see what's the low. Not the amazing one. Okay, UNH, guys. I didn't see that I didn't add yet. I didn't see that the bid, watching the level 2, the bid didn't. I think, what was the high here? 325. No, I'm just still half position, guys. I'm watching the level 2. because of the spread and everything. So yeah, I'm watching the short app right now, but again, it's breaking that level here. I'm open-minded. Okay, UNH. Um, Under 297, I'm going to reduce half of what I have. It need to go immediately. And 300, I'm going to add more. Emmet, thinking about switching side. I don't know. I have to see here. Okay, UNH, guys. Now I'm adding more. It was above 300. The bid. Okay, UNH. Okay, looking good. Okay, I'm gonna see volume increasing here. Let's see the volume. Hmm, I'm okay. Which in Amat? I need to see. Yeah, we're exactly on the view up here, so I'm not sure. Ah, UNH, what's going on? Hmm. Okay, good. Look at him. Bounce really nice from the view up. AMT. Okay, I'm at 166. You see, I'm changing, but I like the volume here. Above 166 with a dollar stop. I'm gonna enter Amet. Above this level here, 166 and $1 stop. Okay, you're with me, guys. You hear what I've said? Amat is long, yeah, Luis. Yeah, above here's this level here. I like 166. Stop gonna be here under the view up. It's like it's a dollar, dollar 50. It's fine. Amat is few ATR stops, so it's UNH is. Look at UNH. It's doing nice from the view up every time it's dropping. Look at the volume. Buyers are coming. I want to be aggressive with UNH. So I add one, 300, above 301 here, I'm gonna add. If it's breaking that level, I'm raising my stop around here, 298, okay? So that's my game plan. I'm not taking a partial, I'm just adding. AMT, still nothing. It's going the wrong way, but it's fine. IUNH, OMG. Really nice. You have a good size in UNH. What's the high here? 303. Almost there. Okay, UNH, you're with me, guys? Okay, let's see. If we're not breaking that level, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. If it's dropping under, first partial, guys, first partial, first partial. Oh, done yet? Not yet. Okay, I'm raising my this 302.80, 302.80, guys. Okay, 303 under 303. I'm taking a partial. I'm just okay under 303.40. Okay, it's going. Look at the power. Okay, 303.60. Okay, well, 304, boom shakalak. Above 303.80. Okay, above 304. Under, sorry, everything is under. Under 304, taking a partial. Not before, we are like almost 6 points. Okay, under 304.20. Okay, going, no partial. Don't even think about it. You can take a little bit more than half. Okay, taking partial. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. How many took the UNH with the add-in? How many? How many? Let's see. How many? All of you. If not, that's not good. Definitely, it was the major one here, the major one. And we actually almost took it from the bottom. 296. Good, good. Be proud. Just mad, guys. What's going on? I'm not gonna come next week. Look at this, look at this. Let it grow, Luis. Exactly what you said. Let it grow. Yeah. AMAT, yeah, still 165. I want to take it. 166, sorry. Let it grow, guys. In about a point, we're gonna get 10 points on UNH, guys. 10 points. First trade. Yeah, that's good. Emmet. Okay, 66. Let's see if we can do it again. Okay, Emmet. Okay. Okay, we have some 9 EMA around. Let's see if we can get 169. Okay, 60 point. 60 cents. Stop. Right now he's here. 298. Okay. I want to see it immediately. I don't have patience for Ahmed. It has to do. I don't have tricks. So again, we did 60 cents. If it's dropping 20 cents now under 166, I'm reducing half and leaving half for the stop. What I want to see, at least at the beginning, I want to see the momentum here, and I want to see it immediately. So what I saw here, and if not, I don't have problem later, but definitely I'm not gonna leave full amount there. So 166, 36. Not a lot of. I don't like these breakouts. At least now, I want to see the volume coming. Okay, I'm watching the ask. Yeah. You see, when you know exactly what you want to do, you avoid yourself from this kind of crap. meaning it did something pretty okay, but then I'm still half position here. I want to see if we can hold the V up. If it's not doing, you immediately reduce. So then you're lowering your risk. Lowering your risk, you just don't leave, throw money, at least at the opening. Okay, UNH, what's UNH? So UNH, I don't care right now. I have like 40% more. I'm doing something around the view up, so I'm okay with that. Yeah, if I'm not saying half, always it's full size. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So got to the view up MAT, and let's see what the rest of my stocks. CRWV. Let's start moving everything to 2 minutes and 5 minutes. I want to start enlarge my picture. Um, HIMS. I don't know what I'm seeing. Wow, bullish. Go down. CRWV. Nothing yet. Um, if you back up the 15-minute charts, you will add. Okay. You were yesterday also in that stock, correct? Correct. Um, you see, it's holding AMAT. This is chart that you see with the pre-market. I have also chart for AMAT without. So it's basically holding now still the view up area. So I'm still there in enough position. And my final stop is another 30 cents, 164.70. Okay. UNH. Let's put you here, UNH. Market is breaking now aggressively, which definitely will not going to help us. Let's put it here. UNH. 299 is this low. High of this one is 301. Let's see. Okay. Amat is out. So one in, one out. Definitely the ratio between the in and out is a good check to our favorites. But it was half at least, so I'm okay with that. Now I can start watch what you said earlier, Roblox. I want to see something about Roblox. Um, Good relevant volume. Yeah. Hmm. You know what? I like it, Alex, around here. I like that stock. 115.10 maybe start, and then 116. That's right. Maybe everything can be changed, but that's my start ideas. And RBLX have 115.10 and 116. If it's holding the view up, and probably the stop gonna be a little bit more than a point, which is fine. You know, the ATR of Roblox is pretty good. Almost 7 points. So still watching UNH. I need to understand what's going on here. We are exactly in the levels almost where we started the trade. Okay. Roadblocks. I like this candle. Let me put Roblox. Where do they put? Let's put Roadblocks here. RBLX. We gap down, but immediately look at the buyers, and the biggest volume here was this one. This is like almost 300,000 shares. Holding nice the V up, so this is where I want to start a position, and then this is where I want to add. Okay, so UNH. If you have any question, guys, I'm watching from time to time. Ask. Okay, guys. I don't see your reaction, so. Oh, CRWV. Now UNH, it's tricky around here. Um, hmm. We can add a little bit here, 299, and the stop gonna be 2 points. Let's wait. Okay, add a little bit, UNH, and what I'm going to use is this. The low of this candle going to be my stop, 297. So it's around 2 points. Okay. Okay, the key will be here. This one. This is the area of the key. If we can actually break, if you want to see it on 1 minute, I'm watching now in 2. We have a nice bull flag. If we break in this level here, which is the area that was actually here, can be pretty good. So basically the 300, the high exactly 300. So it's pretty okay. Roblox still, yeah. Guys, hymns, let's do a quick scalp here. 4630 above this level here. You see my chart? Where is my chart? 4630. Ah, it's my picture is around there. Let me switch it with CRWV. Okay, CRWV and hymns. Ah, so hymns around this level here. And I'm gonna give it a stop. 50 cents. Okay, has to move immediately here. 46, 630. Okay, Roblox, guys. Remember Roblox 115.10? Here, half and above the high. And okay, guys. UNH. Okay, we have almost more than $1 on the ad. Okay, love it. Where is the area for the partial? Everywhere here. You know, the high, 305, almost 306. We have kind of $2 stop, so probably around 303, 4. Let's see. If we're gonna clear this level here. Okay, roadblocks. Okay. UNH, guys. Somebody add? Guys, there's no participation. You want me to close the mouse? I'm doing it for you. For me, I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm sharing it with you. Um, Roadblocks, guys. Have position in. I'm gonna add a lot of amount around 116. UNH looking good. Look at UNH, how it looks in 5 minutes. Really good. We clean the view up. If the next candle above, boom shakalak. Hims. Retest to the round numbers. Hims is here. The stop is under the view up. 80, 45, 80. So we almost got there. I want to see if we can hold. Roadblock is a retest. Okay. In Roblox. Okay. You got out, Matt. Why? Why? Leave a little bit of at least to see, to see what's going on sometimes with the last portion. Sometimes you're gonna be amazed. If you're not gonna leave, how do you know that? What's gonna happen? Okay, Roblox have position. So Roblox right now the stop is around here. I want to check the view up. This is why I did have position, so I'm gonna feel comfortable. Shit, I forgot to watch AMAT Second Chance. Forgot. They do it all the time. Yeah, 166. You know what? I'm throwing an order 166.20 in AMAT. Yeah. You see, it's actually what's the high here? 167. If it's breaking 67, I'm going to take it with the dollar 50 stop, half position. I just want to see if we can get to 166. I have order 166.20 UNH. Sorry, AMAT. You know what? Even 40, I raised it to 40. I told you those gonna be stocks that things can happen there. I didn't take a partial yet in UNH. Okay, 3 points on the ad. We have some resistance 302.40 something, 50. If we reject it again under 302, I'm going to take a partial, guys. Okay. AMAT, I bought it, have position, previous trade. Start. I'm going to add above 167. Okay. Roblox, they have position, not amazing. Still in HIMS, it's okay. Okay, UNH, we're still keeping. My final stop for everything is 298.50 here, under this low here. Big bar on the market, okay? Which definitely is supposed to help us. So I'm half position in AMT and UNH. I didn't succeed to take. I was looking something else. I didn't take the partial, which is totally stupid. Because this level, I told you, around 302, definitely rejected twice. I had to. I was doing something, but now I'm not gonna let it fall. I'm at go. Looking for the explosion here. I want to see the big volume bar. How does it look in 5 minutes? Not amazing. UNH almost 302. Let's see if you have any reaction. Okay. Roblox still fine. Let's put it on the 5 minutes. If you see something, and that formation I love, see the correlation between AMAT and Roblox. Now look at Roblox. We have like a nice rectangular. So this is why here we started half position, above here full position. Here we started half position, here we want to do book position. Good volume here up, low volume down. Good volume in the opening, raise it above, holding, and so let's see. Now is the patient key, you know. Now it's the patient. Somebody earlier said uh, about Joby. Let's watch Joby. Joby is now Bon Jovi. Yeah, everything that was there, gone. Um, UNH still fine. I want to see something in UNH. Okay, I want to see the edge. So UNH pre-market high 308.29, and our high until now is 305. So we have another 3 point at least for 3 point at least from this high to the high of the pre-market. MAT entry. Roadblock still okay. I want to see something about screen, or maybe something about small cap. CSGML. Okay, guys. So game plan in AMT. Remember, 167. We're adding UNH. Roadblocks. Patient. Now it's the patient, guys. You're patient. You're here, guys. Give me a wave so you hear me. I want to see if there is pulse in the room. Quick pulse. Check if you hear me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just check in your pulse, yeah. Since you are so communicated. Okay. Hey Shushan, what's going on? Which trade are you, Mail? You're in UNH, MET, Roblox? Something specific? Hey, there is CGNT from yesterday. It was also a small cap. I don't like this one. Something happened this fig. I want to see quick something. I want to see if the volume, because Like this formation, you see? Got above the view up, side move, immediately I'm looking the levels. 78.20, 78.20, wow. 40 cents stop, what's the spread? 15 cents. I'm just putting a different chart to see the levels, and I want to see if the volume is pretty big according to Fig. Let me see. FIG. You know what? We don't have yet relevant volume because it's a pretty small stop. Yeah, I have to scalp it. Game plan here. 78.20, 50 cent stop. Yeah, has to move immediately. If not, bye bye bye. MAT. Okay. I want to move it for a second for 2 minutes. I want to see in some chart if I have volume increase. AMT. Volume start to increase. Okay. Start to like it. UNH, guys. Good. We got 303, so we have 5 points. Now if it's dropping under... Yeah, I'm taking now partial. I'm not playing around, Amir. Played enough. Enough is enough. Okay, partial. And FIG, yeah. I have an order here. 78.20. Okay. MAT. Game plan now is MAT. If it's dropping under our entry 66, I'm reducing half. Half stops, 165 still. UNH. Uchi Uchi Mama. Good, 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 good. You see, we clean, view up, blah, 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 blah. This is where we added. You remember I told you we added, if we break it to 300, we can actually even add more. Now it's a nice bull flag, support of the view up. High here, pre-market high is there. We are in the after partial on the head, after partial on the first trade. Let it go, guys. Roadblocks. Now suddenly somebody's okay, okay. Full amount in Roblox. AMAT. The only one that basically cost me money because the first trade was a loss. AMAT, and there's no partial. Okay. I like the volume, but yeah, I want to see result. What's the market doing? Basically nothing. Okay. Yeah, the key is figs. You know, I love what I see here. What's the level two? Okay, now the spread is a little bit less. It's the bid is above is 78. Yeah, need to. I want to do it faster. Like we have like a 40, 50 cents. I want to see it immediately above 79. I want to see the bid. The bid. I'm not there yet. I want to see the bid getting towards that level. Roadblocks. Okay. I'm at okay, but we need more. We need the passion, guys. Okay, fig. I see 30, but I don't see the bid is fucked up yet. I'm not there yet. I don't have problem to buy a few cents above. UNH looking good. Need to break 303. Yeah, 304. We need to break this level here and then boom. Fig. Watching Fig yet. They keep the bid above 78, which is fine. Still watching them. I'm just watching the level. Okay, level 2. What's going on though? I don't see even a big. There is a big size, like 100,000 shares I see here. Lot blocks, yeah. Hims, not doing nothing. Amat is okay, but yeah, we need more than okay, Amat. Amat, what's going on? It's a 5 ATR, so let's do it. Patient. You like Apple, huh? Viduk. I think yesterday we did also, no? Questions, guys? Okay, Roblox. Ka-ching, 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 ka-ching. We have $1.50 on the ad, on the sorry, on the first entry, and that was our. So much love those formation, really. Ahmad, what do you want to do? Cause me second lost. Roblox. Okay. Alex, thank you for talking about Roblox at the beginning, Alex. Thank you, Alex. It's good. It's a good candidate. Everything there was good. Really, I love those formation, and when I see this one, I know exactly what I'm looking for, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. Uh, UNH looking good, guys. UNH looking good. Again, our stop right now is under 299. Okay. And where is my area for partial yet? I want to see if we can break the high here. If not, gonna take. If we break it again, we are 3 point above. It's the high of the pre-market. The daily, daily. See, there's no daily. Like everything can happen. Okay. Like there is daily, but there's no rejection, whatever. Like, um, oh, fig. Oh yeah. Okay. Fig. High of the day, 79.40s, around a little bit more than a point from here. I want to see if we can break it. If not, 3/4 is there, around 1 to 2. I told you, this is a scalp. So I want to see the next candle going above it. Roblox looking good, UNH looking good, everything looking good except AMAT. Okay, wow, this is a good candle. Now in FIG, after this, we did it's like on 1 to 1. and the low of these 2-minute bars is 78. So I'm raising my stop under 78. So my stop right now is here. Didn't take a partial, but I reduced 50% my stop. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay, high of the day, 79.37. Okay. We need to see another candle after that. Are you in FIG, guys? FIG? Yeah, I said. It didn't spike, but yeah, we were ready. And I have an order. 78, 88. 88! Wow. What are you doing? Vedic market order? Guys, you and Edge, looking amazing. Looking amazing, really. Like the key is like we did the first one, 10 points almost, and then we took a nice partial, and then we add, and then we took a partial on that, and now like this is like a really good trade. Okay, we're getting towards the high of the day. Fig. Yeah, Roblox looking really good. You see, we actually can see higher low, and I think it's too early for the 15 minutes, but it looks amazing. Look at the big bars, and then just phenomenal, really. Again, 166 reducing Amet. What's going on with that stock? Only losses I have today is Amat, and I have one half lost, but this one, I'm not happy. Okay, Fig. 80 cents, 70, 80 cents, which is fine. Wow, it's a good bar, guys. It's a good bar. That was a good formation. 79, good. 79. Now the spread is only 6 cents, which is totally fine. Wow, 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 wow. That's a good bar. That's a good bar. When you see bar like this, you know you did it well. Okay. High of the day, we're there. Okay. So what am I doing now? Okay. I want to see this is a good volume, one of the biggest volume of the day, but that's we are in the area of the high of the day, 79. Let's throw in $1. I'm preparing. I want to see what's happened here. Maybe I'm gonna regret, but I see the volume. Okay, 79, under 79.30. I'm gonna take a partial. On the other hand, I'm throwing an order 79.90, a little bit before 80. Throwing a limit order. So I have one order waiting here. If we break it the 30, or if we actually get a spike towards 79.90. Wow, this is a good bar. Really nice bar. Still watching the level 2, 20 and 40. It still wants to go. Okay, took some partial. Okay, we have support here, Emmet. Hopefully it's going to do. UNH. Bull flag in here, it's fine. Every time you see it's rejected a little bit down, buyers come in. Bull flag, bull flag, bull flag. I love those bull flag. Guys, you took the FIG? Matt, I have a full playbook that on those situations in certain formation, certain institution amount, and those kind of trade, I'm taking like more than even 10 risk units on that trade. Really, I'm putting tons of. Again, I did it on Roblox. I did it on AMAT, and this is why I'm reducing there pretty fast because you need to work immediately, like what you saw in. Because the statistic on those, it's not just every gap down I'm taking long. Mm, you understand? So no market order, you just can't take market. You have to put stop limit, but with a range. You can't take those kind of stock with a market order. No. Roadblocks, guys. No partial yet. Looking good. 117. I want to put roadblocks here for a second. Okay, so daily pretty strong. Okay, we gap down, but immediately buyers are coming. Um, lots of edge. Like 17, if we break it, probably we have some resistance around 120. And the ATR is pretty big, so that's the area I'm relating to the area of 120. Okay. Okay, 5G did the job. Stop right now under my entry. I have 78.25. I got in like 30. So, okay, I'm starting fresh in my pretty intensive and opening, huh, guys? We are already like an hour and not a dull moment, correct? Not a dull, and I told you the candidates were explosive. Yeah, hymns. I didn't do nothing. I don't have a partial, nothing. Stop is under 80, still around. Now what I'm gonna do here is if it's getting again here and not succeed to break the high, I'm gonna reduce half position and still if stop. Um, let's put it here on 15 minutes. Definitely, it shows, yeah, it shows every time frame that yeah, you have a big, nice. I'm waiting for this explosion. It's gonna be almost like $1 something, and yeah, definitely. See what happened yesterday? See how it's relate. Something happened, double bottom here. This is around the area where we take it, and yesterday did this. So I want to see the imitation of that. Okay, okay. Lift, starting to. Wow, whoa, guys, look what a perfect. Wow, lift. Let's go immediately to Uber. Now, BSLK. What is this stock? Wow. Look at the daily of BSLK. Sorry. Daily, Amir. Definitely few days momentum. Hmm. I don't know. Yeah, I don't. Vidic, you have to have a variety. What happened in Fig, sometimes, I like the move to move trades. Um, but sometimes, like in Fig, yeah, here the high, I'm throwing most of the amount, and also there is another one, the what's her name? Open. Let's see. Nothing. Question, guys. Circle. Let's see the circle. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, guys, hymns. We're getting again to the high. Okay, okay. Three is a charm. See? Three is a charm. Okay. Wanna see increase of the volume. Okay, hymns. Let's get the big balls. Okay, okay. This is something that day trader love it. See, we're patient. We have an area. Nothing happened. That was the stop. This is where we enter. And now we're just, grabbing the money. Looking good. I want to see if we can get to the 47.10. Another 50 cents. Somebody took the hymns, guys. HMS? Guys, somebody took it? You didn't have patience. Maybe, you're going to stay a week with me here. You're going to get some patience because, we have a variety. You see, um, UNH, we're almost from the opening. And Roblox, we're still there. AMAT, unfortunately, we're still there. FIG, still have quarter. Um, almost got to the 80 area. But Hills? basically nothing happened, you know. That was the game plan. Buy it here. Stop is under 50 cents, under 80. And right now we can raise the stop here. 90, another 10 cents. Only losses I have today. Same stock. First trade was half. Here I reduced, but it's, yeah, I got like three quarter, so I have like a loss in probably quarter or whatever, but still, yeah, two losses. Again, it's better than full losses, but still. Um, I will have to watch it later and see. Again, maybe after analyze it, maybe I can think I did okay, but definitely I have to see. Like it's really rare for me. Again, sometimes you need two attempts, three, but in this case it was like okay, I understand this one. This is why we reduce. Immediately came the buyers above and here, and yeah, we basically we add above 166, 167, I think. Uh, it did 50, and I think I said 66. I have to reduce it. I reduce it under 167 something, and but I definitely I need to analyze what's going on there. Still, him still, Roblox still, Quarter Fig still, AMAT not. So, oh, BMNR, what's going on there? BMNR, yeah, this favorite stock of mine. Hmm, shorted here. Problem that I see is this big candle. You see, it's a good volume. It's something happening here. I need to analyze. I need to put a chart here, but I have to put the charts. This is almost a little bit less than 2 million shares. Okay, and see, we are in this level. We have opened here 51.30. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it. Definitely gonna watch it. I'm watching this BCLK. I want to start buying it. 1320. Around this level here. 1320. Yeah, the stop is too big. I want to see this candle right now. Definitely 1320. I want to take it. Again, look what's happened there on the daily. So lots of upside. Right now we have kind of a 50 cents, which is fine, okay. It's not that I'm not UNH guys looking good. Still. Shushan, you see how much patient we are in UNH? Nothing happened. Right now we can actually raise the stop under 301. Yeah. So BCLK 1320, 50 cent stop. Okay? 1320, 50 cent stop. Spread is only like 6 cents. Hims guy looking good. Look at Hims. Like 60 cents in the money. Okay. Out. Didn't succeed. They're like almost 30 cents, but yeah, didn't succeed. UNH guys. Almost 6 points on the ad. Again, you remember the game plan. 306 around here. If we're not breaking it, another partial. What is your game plan, Vidic? BMRN. Yeah, I know, Luis. It's okay. What's your game plan about BMNR? Sometimes I like to watch the small cap. UNH, guys, look at these bars. Perfect, perfect bars. See? Full, not even spikes. Okay, guys, we're getting to the high. Let's see level 2. Area for a partial if we're not gonna break it or something happen here. Exactly, well, so we actually following plans. Every trade that you saw here, the big winners or the losses, we have a plan. We're not, trading out there. There is really strike plans every trade. And if you don't understand, ask me. GNH again, we have the range and we broke it patiently. HIMS, we have the range, broke it again. Here I have orders waiting 47.10 to take a partial. Beautiful. And the one that is not working, like here, these different types, but again, got out. So the maximum you can lose is maybe one risk. Sometimes you saw in Amex, we can reduce. But the big ones, UNH, Roblox is not doing nothing yet. Still came back to the entry and entry 55.50. Why 55.50? Look at the bars right now. You see, these bars, see, according to UNH, this is short control totally. You know what? Let me see what happened in the pre-markets. Unless here, the low here is 54.39. No, there's no signs here for nothing except now 54.39 was the low here. Yeah, we broke it. You have to see if we're doing double bottom. I don't know. Let's see it on a big scale. Again, you have a close gap here. 51 area. It's 3 point more, so let's put it even on 2 minutes to see the resolution. See, there is double. Basically, if you wanted, you could actually scalp it here, but you can do 54.80, 60 cent stop. Scalp to see if there is a bottom in here. I'm not gonna take it, but it's an idea. Let's see it on 1 minute. Yeah, on 1 minute you could actually do it even earlier. But Yeah, 60 cent. You can take a small amount to see, but I'm not sure it's there yet. Maybe we need to see the bottom again, but it's an idea. Still watching these guys. I want to do another attempt here. 1250 and 50 cent stop. Okay. I mean, sorry for the last minute. The game plan here will be simple. If it's break the 50, like 10 cents, reduce in half position and leave in half here. Okay. I like this one because now we are cutting the 9 EMA. Yes, we're cutting now the 9 EMA and we have kind of the support of the VWAP. Again, yesterday, previous one, we did it with the support of the 9 and we failed. Now I'm doing it from the 50 here. Again, we did like 80 cents. So, and we got 30 cents until the 80. Again, the game plan, if it's dropping under the 50, reducing. Okay, looking good. Sorry that it was last minute, but trading it's very dynamic, so there's different type of trade. For UNH, we have the time for Roblox, we have the time for hymns. Guys, hymns. Got the partial? Okay, got the partial. Stop right now, I'm raising here. Under the 9, boom shakalak. That's a trade that everybody has to be here. You could get with automatic order here. You could put even a stop. It was under 80. You could put 70 something and just stay here. Nothing happened around here. So if you were there and you got out before, not good. Not good. Okay? Could not wait. 54.40. Uh, you got out or you leave the stop under 54? Don't play around with this one. So we still have like 20 minutes. I think the last 10 minutes I'm gonna go over. We got a good variety. I told you before when we have the candidate that we're gonna have today explosion. Like there was huge candidate, huge. Like say it. And I think every trade, yeah, we mentioned. I think what was my list? UNH, AMT, HIMS, uh, Amat, and there was another one. CRWV, and I didn't even see what's happened there. CRWV. Nothing. But definitely, exactly. That was the trade that. Um, Questions, guys? Give me one thing that you learned today from what we did here, from what you did. All the time. All the time, gymnastic. But what, why should I? This is the SPY. Okay? Let's put it on the 5 minute. All the time. One, I have one screen with all those charts. What did we learn here today? Okay, market drop down here. Nothing. Okay? Q, Q, Q. What did we learn here? Drop. Good. That was a good one. I thought Amat will help it. I saw it, but then we got around here, and still, that's a volume that actually showed me more like to the upside. Um, IWM, small cap. Again, show weakness, but you saw in our stock, it didn't reflect. I didn't do even one show today. Okay? And I watched even the IBIT, but the trade, I didn't find any shorts. So I'm watching all the time the market. I'm trying to, to base my trade upon this. Like if I was watching, AMD and Nvidia, all of them had the waterfall formation. What is a waterfall? It's the drop. Basically, that's the trend. Try to go up and then boom. You're going to watch Nvidia. Again, the waterfall. Basically, you see that's. I was watching the candidate, but that's like so beautiful. Look at this. You have the view up. You have a small candle, entry, stop. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, it happens all the time. Sometimes you watch and some stocks doing amazing, some stock. Um, it's always, what are you focusing at? No, no, listen, listen, it's nice. I'm going to send you a tape of myself, okay, Alex? But yeah, you come here to learn and to trade, okay? And I'm going to sing you a lullaby. Lullaby. Time in the market, okay? Today, picking the best, good. Always learning, patient. Getting patient, yeah. Some of the things that help me patient is automatic orders, Videk. Yeah. Including like I did here on hymns. See, I knew exactly when we here. I told you the partial for me is around here. Okay, so let's throw an order. UNH told you we're getting towards the high here. That's the area for another partial. So we got here this candle, and then you see another candle with Skype. Definitely, you have to take some partial here. Follow the plan. Don't change. Okay, and that's a key that definitely helps you. Because it's a very emotion, maybe you have a really good day, maybe you have a bad day. So if it's here, you said maybe I'm gonna take more, so it's cover and that's gonna do bullshit. So you need to follow a plan. But good, like your assumption. No, I know, Alex. I'm just pulling your legs. I know. Believe me, I know what you mean. Yeah. I think this is the meaning of the room. Not just throwing you triggers. Just to make you better trades. Those things are crucial. Like, look for example, this one, that's the second trade. So the first one, didn't went well. Second one from here, got to 13, took some profit here, and from past events, I definitely need to stay patient if it's holding these levels here. The explosion can come, just before because it's like 50%. I almost It's gonna be like a mystic something. I almost, that's what I'm feeling right now. It can go to 80, 90, 130 from the past event. If it's holding these levels here, it's happened. Really, what you see here is nothing. If it's gonna break here, that's it. But from learning, and how do you know this? You learn from past events. Why did I do the Amet didn't succeed? But in Roblox it's still okay. Um, the UNH, even the hymns, there was reason why to do it, and you're not trading in a void. Okay, you're not trading in a void. Almost everything happened, and you just need to be specific. Okay, you just need to be specific, and that's it. Follow your plans. Follow your plans. And if you don't know, ask questions, guys. You tend to short. Why? Because it's low, so you want to low it more. Okay? Uh, you have to see. You need more in order. Okay, BSLK, guys. Okay, okay. See the second chance, almost $1. Okay, just to short because it's kept down. You need more, Luis. If it's a momentum, how many percent it's kept down? If it's going good, if it's 3%, if under 5%, if it's under 20%, what's the short size? What's the institution? What's the levels? You need follow so many into your favorite, not just because okay it's down, I'm going to short it. Bullshit. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes trading is so creative because the trade that we did on unit, it's not creative. It's kept down. We wait for a little bit pullback and we took it, which is totally fine. Hymns, there was a reason for hymns. Was a reason for Amet for two losses. Yeah, but it was still reason. Roblox was good. Uh, the BSLK, I told you before these bars why I'm still holding it, even if it's did $1, because I don't have problem even to the half, to lose the half and still gonna be profitable, and then leave something for the future here because the past show me that this can happen. So as I told you, I need to contact. There was something I don't know. I can be available because I froze my mentor in next week because I guess week is a holiday, so I'm gonna be here every day. For some reason I don't know. They didn't understand about Monday, so I don't know if I'm gonna be here Monday. I will try, but the rest of the week definitely. So um, over the weekend, yeah, go over and I like to answer questions. So if you can summarize what you want to know and what you want to play and whatever, give me question. Answer I'm gonna give you. What do you mean, Luis? What do you mean? Mayor influence. I mean everybody that I traded with the influence means some way more, somewhere less, but definitely. I learn. Even from student, Luis, I'm learning. Yeah. Because they give me another approach for something. I can embrace it, not, but yeah, definitely. You have to be open-minded. The day trader need um, to have a resilient mindset. You can't stuck like okay, something was good and that's it. You have to search. You have to learn for more things. You have to try more things. You have to adapt to the market. UN Angels, my final stop is under 302 here. Okay. Um, BMNL. I'm watching it, just because I think finishing this candle under it, I don't know if it's still, you could take a partial, but I don't know if you still have the 9 here. If I took it like it was you here and my stop was here, um, let's see the numbers. You got like a 30-cent stop and it did, okay, it did well. I would kept quarter with a stop around here, definitely. And the next area was around here, the VWAP. No, 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 Vedic. Again, my opinion, the way I'm trading, who said that here it was the high of the day? Okay, what's if gonna happen? Let's do an assumptions. Okay, you take 3/4 here, you raise your stop to the entry here, and you leave a quarter. See, your last quarter here, can be at least here. You're almost what's the high here? 50, 56.20. Here you got out. Yeah, things can happen. You never know. Let's put it on the 5 minutes. Definitely, you could see that there is a volume. We don't have a marble ball, Videk. So always, this is why I liked, even if it's scalp, I can take like a 3/4. Here's right now, it's pretty solid. I can actually, under here, raise my stop. Okay? But definitely, it can come here, it can go above here, and I told you this bar. Think about all this celebration. Okay, it's broke a little bit. This green bar I told you, this big 1.8 million shares. That's the range of that bar. Okay, more like. See how many bars inside it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Multiply by 5, so it's hour and something. That catching my eyes, okay? And I think I told you when you wanted to short that. So for me, definitely I'm waiting for I would wait with the quarter to see what can happen because this is a crazy dude. Makes sense, Videk? Okay. With that, guys, thank you very much. Again, if you have any questions, just a second. That's my mail if you want to ask question or I'm doing some mentoring if you are interested. Another thing that I want you to do is I told you I have the channel, YouTube channel, and sometimes I'm posting trade that we did or we doing here or when I'm doing live by myself. Uh, this is a link for the last one that I did. You can actually see this. can subscribe my channel so you're gonna see things that I'm doing. Okay? Have a great weekend, and again, hopefully I'm gonna see you Monday. If there's not gonna be some technical issue, it's gonna be Tuesday, but I will try to do it. Okay? Yeah, I'm okay. There is some technical issue. I don't know. So okay, guys. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure. Hopefully for you, it was good. And Videk, just we're gonna watch BMNR, huh? Because look how it's looking. This is not a stock that you're getting out around here just because you feel like. Everything show that this beautiful higher low, and another script that happened can go here, a little bit side move, then above stop under you can actually add, and if it's breaking this level here, oh. Okay, guys, thank you. Ciao.